The 14th Bahrain Summer Festival returns with its golden edition and presents an evening of classical music by Mohammed al-Najjar, Hay al-Hamad and Layan al-Hamad. Brainiac remixed. The Little Lantern. Korean history through dance and music. Flamenco Arsa Itoma. Alice in Wonderland. The De Silva Marionette Circus Troupe. Live Indonesian traditional dance. Live Angklung music performance. Marco and Rolanda's Bubbles Revolution. In addition to an exciting program of educational workshops and fun activities at the Art Center from the 11th to the 31st of July 2022. For more information, call 8000 80 89 or visit culture.gov.bh. Brought to you by the Bahrain Authority for Culture and Antiquities.